Okay, top pick is Qualtrics. Number 2 is Alchemer. And 3, up and coming platform, is Block Survey. My number 1 platform is Qualtrics. Is it expensive? Yes. Does it drive me wild that they increase the price every year despite the fact that I'm not using any more features than I have the year before? Also yes. But at the end of the day, Qualtrics is the only platform that can do every single thing I want a survey platform to be able to do. Not everyone gives complicated surveys, but I use a lot of logic and other nifty little personalization features in my survey, and Qualtrics can do them, and I can't give them up. The sticking point for me, because I almost switched this year because I was it is so annoying that their prices keep going up. I just cannot handle it. But when I do my course, for instance, and other things in my business, I do a pre-survey, an onboarding, a registration survey where I ask people to set goals. And then when they finish the course, finish working with me, whatever, I give them a survey and ask them to reflect on their progress towards meeting those goals. In that second survey, I pre-fill it with the goals that they gave me for the first survey. So they don't have to remember what the goals are. They don't have to go look it up. I just put them in there for them. And I love being able to do that. Qualtrics is the only platform I have found that has the ability for me to do that. So until another platform can do that, I will not leave Qualtrics. The quality of what you can do in that platform to create a good user experience and good data is, in my opinion, unmatched. For people that are willing to give on some of the special features, Alchemer. That is my second choice platform. Alchemer, I had some clients switch to it this year because they were yo, we're not paying Qualtrics prices anymore, and I get it. And so we moved everything over to Alchemer. And I actually think Alchemer is more user-friendly. The interface is beautiful. Setting up, skip logic is just chef's kiss. So beautiful in Alchemer. It is superior in that, I believe. However, as we're moving all their surveys over, I kept having to make a call and be hey, just so you know, we can't do this anymore. We can't do this thing anymore either. Yeah, I know that's annoying, but Alchemer can't do that. So while Alchemer has a lot of features that Qualtrics has, and I think is more user-friendly, it doesn't have all the features, so second choice. And then third, I connected with the founder of a company called Block Survey, and they are doing some really cool stuff with their survey platform and constantly adding new features to it. And I think if you're doing a really simple survey, I like Block Survey. The surveys look pretty, they have a good number of features, they're constantly adding features, it's affordable. I think if you have a business or just dipping your toes in surveying, start there. Because I like the company, I like what they're going for in terms of making surveys more fun and emphasis on privacy. I like those things. However, again, I'm a features girly. If that platform can't do everything that I wanted to do, it cannot be my platform. In my book, I have a whole section on choosing a survey platform and every feature I think you should consider when you're choosing a platform, because to me platform choice comes down to two things, how much money you have and what you need to be able to do to give a really good survey and get good data. And you might have to give on one of those things, right? You may be I really want it to be able to do all this stuff, but I don't have the money. Then you can't, you gotta work with what you got. But yeah, okay, long answer to that question, but Qualtrics is my number 1. It's not a sponsored post. God knows I have a lot of complaints about them, but it can just do everything I want it to do. Alchemer is a good number 2, and Block Survey is up and coming. Would recommend people check it out.